Hey everyone, I am back with another fan video. This time I have decided to hang my Fasco Charleston back up that I had in my bedroom. It was my very first vintage fan that I replaced a builder fan in my bedroom with. So when I got into collecting fans, so I figured by request, I was asked, when are we gonna see the Fasco Charleston again? Well, I figured I'd pull this one out since I've actually taken down the Dayton Lasco, and this is just temporary because I want to put this Enigma up once I get my down rod made for it. You know, I'll have it hanging, so I had to paint a black down rod that's shorter. That way it hangs as high as this one. And it won't be in the way and it won't bang anybody in the head when it's up. But yeah, this one hangs just as high. I had to make another down rod for this one, since I made one for my bedroom. This is the length that I have for my bedroom, but I decided to make a shorter one, and it hangs perfectly at the height I want it to hang at. Right in line with that gold line there. So, otherwise, this is a guy in Florida that got me this one that sold it to me, and lucky to own this Fasco Charleston. It's a first generation, which is the rarest of the three. There's the second and third generations, but I'm just proud to own this one. So why don't I start with low? Okay, I'm going to do factory speeds since this is actually wired. It's connected to a live outlet on the ceiling, and I pigtailed it to the lead, so I got to have one that's got factory speeds in it at this time until well, actually I have a remote, I just haven't wired it up. I'm going to be experimenting with the remote on this later on. So, otherwise, once I get the remote, I'll try putting some industrials here. But, just like having the gold line there. This is a nice slow low. You know, this is like restaurant low. I know Christian Chandler talks about an Italian restaurant that he went to as a kid, and they had these exact ones. They had dim lights on them, and antique brass, and I believe they were first generation too, that he said, and they were on this low. So yeah, so this is like kind of an aesthetic, but it still actually moves air. So let's do medium. Okay, and I'm getting a breeze already. It is a nice breeze, so I like the kind of blades this thing's got, these plastic blades. They are rather thin, but they're pretty rigid too, so they actually move air. This actually moves air. And I think it's even got a steeper blade pitch than most residential, so yeah. I love this fan. I love this in my bedroom, but I have my design house carousel that's in antique brass with cane blades in my bedroom. That's a childhood fan, and I got a video on that. Well, here I'm gonna do high. Okay, here comes high. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. God, this has got such a breeze to it. Oh, I can feel a breeze down here. I'm behind the sofa. So this thing really puts out. I wonder. I'm going to compare it to the gold line. I like comparing. Let's do high. I'm just going to turn the gold line right to high. Because this one's given a strong breeze. And I wonder. Well, this has got straight blades, so I'm getting a straight down air pattern. So it's a little more concentrated down, but yeah, this one's more of a, got it spanned out, so it's not quite as direct of breeze with the curved blades on it. It's hard to see the gold line in the light. I need to get some more lights in here. There we go. But if you go in that spot where the air is the strongest of the gold line, it's almost neck and neck. Yeah, this one. But this thing is just insanely fast. But it's got a heavier duty motor, so I'm going to do a spin down. And even though that one's going to probably take longer, I'm going to focus it on this one here. I already gave this one a head start, so it's a little unfair. Try to wipe some of the dirt off my lens there. There we go. Alright, that one's still spinning down. It's got a ways to go yet. So this one's almost done. Alright, well, there you have it. The Fasco Charleston first generation. And hope you enjoy seeing it for now, because I plan to put that Enigma to match that gold line, have two black metal fans. So that's eventual when I get to painting up the down rods. So until then, we'll definitely see you next time.